In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove SOS on iPhone. When SOS appears in the top right corner, your iPhone can place emergency calls but isn't connected to your carrier for normal voice, texts, or data. The fixes we will cover go from quick toggles to deeper resets, so move through them in order and test after each one. Start with airplane mode to refresh your radio. Swipe down from the top right to open Control Center. Turn airplane mode on. Wait about 15 seconds, then turn it off. This forces your phone to drop all wireless connections and register with nearby towers again. Give the status bar a moment to update and see if your carrier name returns. Next, make sure your line is active. Open Settings, tap Cellular or Mobile Service, and confirm your primary line is on. If you use a physical SIM, eject the tray with a SIM tool or paper clip. Wipe the gold contacts with a clean dry cloth and reinsert it firmly. A loose tray or dirty contacts can trigger SOS. And reseating often brings service back within seconds. If you are traveling outside your provider's local area, enable data roaming so your phone can use partner networks. Go to Settings, Cellular or Mobile Service, Cellular Data Options, and toggle data roaming on. Keep in mind some plans charge for roaming, so switch it off again when you are back in your home zone. If the issue persists, reset your network settings to clear corrupted cellular and Wi-Fi profiles. Go to Settings, General, Transfer, or Reset iPhone. Reset. Then reset network settings. Your iPhone will restart. This erases saved Wi-Fi networks and passwords and Bluetooth pairings. But it won't touch your photos, apps, or data. After the reboot, reconnect to Wi-Fi if needed and check your signal. It also helps to do a full restart. Power the phone off. Wait a few seconds, then turn it back on to clear temporary glitches. Finally, check for a carrier settings update. Connect to Wi-Fi, open Settings, General, About, and wait around 15 seconds. If a prompt appears, tap Update. These small files fine-tune how your iPhone communicates with the network and can restore normal service. Follow these steps in order and SOS should disappear, with calls, texts, and data working again. Thanks for watching.